this video, I'm going to unbox and review the HydroFeed by Chapin. This is a system to be able to hook up to the irrigation system. So if you have a sprinkler at your house, a sprinkler system to water your lawn, what you do is you can hook up this particular device here, and it will go in between your backflow preventer that feeds in water to your sprinkler system into the valve that waters your lawn, and it will actually mix the water that comes out of the sprinkler with whatever solution that you put into this particular reservoir, and it will actually you'll be able to put some kind of solution that gets sprayed out to all your lawn. So this device is actually pretty simple concept wise, but I think it's only a little bit more complicated only because it has some kind of pressure system. I don't know if you ever use those watering system that is that you have to pump to pressurize, and then you press the valve to release the water out. Yeah, it's kind of like that. So this particular system here comes with this I think this is 2 gallon. Yeah, it says there model 4720 2-gallon fertilizer injector. So you would put the fertilizer solution here. I'm going to be putting mosquito pesticide into here that my wife would like for us to do, and I think it's made of cedar oil, so it's called cedar side. So we're gonna put cedar side in here, and it's going to mix it with the water that goes out to the sprinkler system and spray cedar side everywhere. That's the idea. So it comes with this 2-gallon tank, some manual. Looks like there's a hose here of some sort, and then we have this box that has, let's see what's inside here. Okay, this looks like some kind of wrench, probably to help us tighten the lid, because like I said, this has to be like high pressure in order for it to work well. Alright, so this is the, I guess, device that actually does the mixing. I'm not sure, but this looks like a T device, and it has let's see what this is. This is a brass connector piece, and it is a valve, so you can close on and off. And this looks like a regular garden hose connector. So there's that. And then it has the looks like just a 1/4 inch transparent nylon tube, and it has the cover. I think this is the cover. Yeah, this must be the cover that's used to go on here, I'm guessing. Yeah, it must be it. So you go. So you must need to do it like this, and then this is the wrench that you use to, yeah, there you go, to tighten it, because you need to tighten it really tight. And there are nozzles here that would allow you to connect to somewhere else. I'm sorry, I haven't read the manual yet. I just know that this is what the device is supposed to be for. It's supposed to go in between your backflow preventer and inject solution into your sprinkler system, so that you can put multiple chemical, pesticide, or even fertilizer. That's actually what this device is used for. so that you can put fertilizer, liquid fertilizer, so you can fertilize your lawn easily with this system. So that is it actually. That is the full kit. It has some, looks like some clips here, manual, the cover, some kind of hose, the wrench, garden hose valve, and that's about it. So in the next video, I'm going to try to install this system into my irrigation system, and I'll create a video for that so that you can take a look at it. Thank you for watching.